Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, I have my Nike Kevin Durant 7 collection. I have 5 pairs in total, which I feel like is enough to give you guys a collection video over these shoes. I'll say now that some of them aren't the craziest, but they are some of the more rare KD7s out there when it comes to the colorway, I guess. But by now, my KD6 collection video should have came out. So if you haven't checked that out, I definitely recommend watching that before or after this video. And then eventually I'll have my whole Kevin Durant collection video out somewhere in the future. I'm not exactly sure when I'll have that filmed because bigger collection videos take a lot more time to do. And I want to kind of get as many videos out there for you guys to enjoy during this time, since I know a lot of people are kind of stuck at home, not being able to do a whole lot. Before we get into this video, I do want to mention, if you want to see more shoes and how I pair shoes with clothing, my Instagram is down below in the description, but it is CamGoodwin12, has the same profile pic as this YouTube. So if you do want to go check that out and follow if you want, that'd be awesome. Also, if you do enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe if you do want to see more. If you don't, that is completely okay. But in the future, it will definitely be more than just sitting in this room. There'll be more content. Without further ado, let's just get right into this collection. I want to start off by saying one pair I don't have with me right now. They're packed away somewhere, I think in storage. But they're the KD7 Uprisings. I'll put a photo up for you guys so you guys can see exactly what shoes I'm talking about. Those are my first ever KDs that I ever bought. I paid retail, I think at the time was about $150. I saved up a ton of money just to buy those. They sat at my local sporting goods store for a little while, and it was between those and I believe at the time it was the LeBron 11 Dunkman. Those are the only 2 pairs of like signature Nike basketball shoes that my store carried, and I wanted the KD7s the most. Just because of the look. Those were my first ever KD7s. I wish I had them with me to show you guys. I'll tell you right now that I wore those shoes into the ground where the bottom, the outsole was completely gone and it was into the midsole foam. That's how much I love KD7. So now getting into the first pair I actually have on me are the KD7 Calm Before the Storms, I believe is the name of these. Here's a closer look at this shoe for you guys. These have really good details on the back side of the shoe. It is a very simple colorway, as you can see, gray and a reddish orange, I believe. These are one of his first ever KD7 colorways to come out, I believe around the same time as the OKC home and away colorways. So these are kind of one of those iconic KD7s that kind of started it all, and one of the pairs that almost everybody had, I think, because these came out way before some of these other colorways. So these are definitely one of the most common KD7s there are. Getting into the next pair, they are the KD7 BHMs. This is one of my favorite pairs that Nike came out with. The KD7s, the KD6s, like I mentioned above me, some of my favorites that Kevin Durant and Nike have ever released. So I was very happy when I was able to get this pair. The details on it are very nice and very high quality for a Nike basketball shoe. One of my favorite parts is the strap. It has the BHM spell out on it, unlike this one that has his 35 and 7 little design, because his number was 35 for OKC and this is his 7 signature model. Now I believe he's number 7 on Brooklyn, so I guess that's kind of cool how things kind of played out. Getting into one of my all-time favorite KD7s, it is the All-Star colorway. As you can see, it is kind of monotone with those big fluorescent colors on it. It's pretty crazy and out there when it comes to the colors on this shoe. The icy outsole is definitely one of my favorite parts. It's not too icy anymore. Here's the insole of the shoe. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely one of my favorite parts. Here's one last look of this amazing shoe, and as you might notice, the strap is different on this one as well. It kind of has that see-through translucent look, and it has that texture all throughout. So now getting into my final pair of KD7s for this video. It is definitely one of my favorite, or if not my actual favorite of all time, and it is the KD7 Electric Eels. This is one of my all-time favorite KD7s that Nike and Kevin Durant came out with. As you can see, it gets its name from the swoosh and the back design with the electric eel kind of skin to it. It's that purple and neon yellowy green. I know I went through these pairs pretty quick. I just want to get this short video out to you guys so you guys see more of my collection. But there are a couple other pairs I do want to mention in this video I hope to get in the future. So my first one is the KD7 What Does. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, the What The is like this, where it is just crazy all over print of all his different KD7 models. This is a LeBron 11, and the other ones I hope to get in the future are the KD7 Global Games and Aunt Pearls. The Global Games are just an all red colorway, and Aunt Pearls are a white and gold with a wing for the strap. And I definitely plan on getting both of those at some point. Without further ado, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys don't mind that it was too short of a video, but definitely be on the lookout for my whole KD collection that should hopefully come out at some point in the future. I'm not going to guarantee it anytime soon, but that will be a future video. So if you do want that video, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite KD Nike basketball shoe is. I believe he's on the 13 now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.